Trey, aka Kwani1026 here. In this little vlog to tell you what I'm going to be doing for like this week, because I know I haven't been making a lot of videos in a while. And something special, I have butter. Yeah, I have butter. You're right. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm gonna be like making a video of something. I just don't know what yet. So if you could put it down in the comments below what you want me to make a video of on any of these channels, Kwani Freeman, Traders Gaming, or Kwani1026, so leave it down in the comments below. And remember to subscribe and like. Just please don't dislike. I feel disrespected when people dislike. Duh. So yeah, that's the end of the video. That's the end of this video. And see you later, peeps. Yeah, that's what I call it now. Yeah.